Hi, I'm Paul Robbins. I'm the Dean of the Nelson Institute for Environmental Studies at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. 50 years ago, the world changed forever. It all began right here at UW-Madison with visionaries who declared enough. The Earth is too important to ignore any longer. 1970 saw the birth both of Earth Day, but also of the Nelson Institute itself. Two testaments to Wisconsin's long history of environmental leadership. Then and now, environmental ideas and action had their birth at the University of Wisconsin. Our campus is the birthplace of restoration ecology, wildlife conservation, water resource science, so much more. Throughout those 50 years, the Institute has served as a dynamic community. Energetic people from all over the globe, all committed to stewarding our planet's natural resources. Our strengths and successes have always been found in a really diverse community of people. It's how we succeed. Diversity of thought, diversity of practice. Everybody's welcome at the Nelson Institute, and every individual action or contribution to the community makes a huge impact, and it has for 50 years. So we hope you'll help us secure the future of that great institute and its legacy. Though we've achieved a lot together, there's still a lot of work to be done, and the next 50 years is going to be a very important half century, I'm imagining. So in honor of our 50th anniversary, we've launched the Environmental Futures Fund. That's an endowment fund that supports our critical work for the next 50 years and beyond, for students, for faculty, and for communities who want to engage in connecting environmental research with environmental problems, whether that's lead in urban water or whether that's endangered whooping cranes in Wisconsin, or whether that's the fate of the Okavango Delta in Africa. Our global reach can be supported and secured for another half century with your support. So we invite you to invest in the legacy, invest in the community, invest in our future. Gifts in any amount are appreciated and they're deeply needed. Help us secure the future, and thank you very much from the Nelson Institute.